What is COMSOL Multiphysics? COMSOL Multiphysics is a simulation platform that encompasses all of the steps in the modeling workflow, from defining geometries, material properties, and the physics that describe specific phenomena to solving and post-processing models for producing accurate and trustworthy results. Some of the skills required for learning COMSOL are good knowledge in engineering science fields, simulation analysis, problem-solving skills, analytical skills, etc. COMSOL Multiphysics covers so many different application areas that if you know how to use the software, you will become more flexible in the types of positions you can work in. Job titles are applications engineer, sales engineer, development engineer,